Hey everyone,
G'day guys, how are you?
just got Bo here from Outback
Cleanups Australia.
and today we're just down at Wilbinga here.
We're going to do a clean up along the beach, go up through the tracks. I don't know, Griffo's going to lead the way and we'll just follow it basically, see if we can just fill the cars up with trash. Fair bit of shit around here, so I reckon we're in luck. I got 8 sacks on me, I don't know how many you got.
Oh, I've got a couple.
We should fill them
I'm
easy.
sure we'll be able to fill them up.
We'll take them up to the rest stop up here and dump them in the bins after, get some photos for you guys.
That's right. And it's going to be clean up in the dunes and the beach.
And she's hot. It is hot.
It's stinking.
It's getting warmer.
And probably a swim.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Here we go. This will test out the Land Cruiser. See how she goes up this section. We'll come back to that spot down there. Probably can't see much, but glass and bottles everywhere. Whole way along. Even a frying pan up there for me. Maybe I'll give it to Bo, he might need a new one. We'll just work this side here, I think, and then work our way up this way. Bring the cars up. About half an hour's work. Nearly got a full bag. And it's only going to get worse. Bo's just had a good find for the day. What do you got, mate?
Swiss Army knife. Genuine Victorinox. Swiss Army knife.
Good score.
Not a bad one. She's not too badly bunged up. Give it a clean up, give it an oil polish. A bit of inox and WD-40.
Good as new.
Sell it and donate it to Outback Cleanups Australia.
Well, here's our next victim.
Pardon?
Oh, I'm just talking camera work, mate. So I'll give you a look before we start. Just disgusting, mate, isn't it?
Absolutely shocked.
It's just bloody everywhere.
Always wear protection, guys.
protection first.
Yeah.
Safety first.
Safety first. The Cooper's second.
That's right. Well, we'll get stuck into her. I've just made up lunch for Bo and I. See what he reckons of it. Bit of shit on toast. Here you go, mate. I've got lunch for us. What do you reckon, mate?
Oh, my favourite. Fried paper towel. Yum.
Yum. Another Grippo's cooking. Well, we cleaned up this channel. All clean again, no glass. Best we could get it. And there you have it. On to the next spot. See what else we get. Waiting for Bo to come up. Looked in the bushes, what we found. Real good spot for it. Let's see what else we got here while we're waiting. Can't spot any. Oh, spotted another one. Right, here we go. Oh no, it's not looking good. Might have to go this way. Coming this way or?
No, I'm just going to sprinkle a
Bit more pepper, yep. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Your rear bar's in the bank. Ah, beauty, either way. This is what we got so far. Been going for about 3 hours. 3 bags, and then a old camp chair bag filled up with rubbish. These are the type of dickheads that come down here to Wilbinga. They box their rubbish up for you, but then don't even take it with them. And this shit is crap. Whoever drinks that may as well be drinking water. Just disgraceful. No good. This is what 5 hours of work with Bo and I have done. Swiss Army knife?
Swiss Army knife. Tweezers and all. Could have used that when I got bloody glass in my foot.
What do you think of this rubbish, mate?
Shocking. Absolutely shocking. Car batteries. Bloody more freaking women's sanitary products. shocking stuff. Bait. Half these bags are pre-packed full for us. It's just left here.
Yeah, bastards.
Shocked. Absolutely shocked.
It's just un-Australian.
Un-Australian, genuinely. Genuinely un-Australian. If you do this kind of thing, get reported.
Exactly. Well, it's time to load them up. Out we go.